Hey everybody, Tanya from Shooting Star SVG back, and today I am going to go through a quick tool to help you with your tags on your Etsy listings. Now, I'm going to do a series of keyword videos over the next few days that I will be posting up on my YouTube, so if you haven't done this already, please go ahead and click like and subscribe below. That keeps me motivated to continue making these videos and help all of you skyrocket sales in your Etsy shops. So I think one thing that people tend to forget about is Etsy has a lot of stats functions that can be really helpful when you are creating your listings or you have listings that are currently selling and have some data to them. So my shop has been open for a little bit. This may not work so well if your shop is newer, as you won't have as much data to pull from. So I do have my listings up, but what I'm going to do right now is just go to my Etsy shop. And I am going to choose one that I have not optimized yet. So I'm going to scroll down and try to find one that I have sold quite a bit of. And we'll go ahead and choose this mac and cheese, best friends SVG, or twin bodysuit SVG, because we can't use onesie. It's a trademark issue with Gerber. If you are in your shop listing, you will notice this listing tools here. And there is a tab called stats. What you can do is you can click on listing stats and it will pop up with a window that will basically show you how many visits, how many items you've sold, and what the revenue has been. Okay, and this looks like this is all time from the time that it was listed in July of 2019 to now. So it's been up for a year. It's made about $50. Not one of the greatest listings I have out there, but regardless, there it is. When you scroll down, you can check out your data. You can see where your traffic sources come from, which is very useful. But one thing that is super useful is the search terms. Okay, so I'm going to go find this in my shop. And I'm going to go ahead and open it up and scroll down to my tags. And you can see that I'm using all 13 at this point in time. But what I want to do is I want to take these statistics and you can see which ones are the top searches here. So mac and cheese SVG. Do I have this in my listing? Yes, I do. There it is. So I don't need to add that one. There's a macaroni SVG. I don't have that in here. I'm going to get rid of sublimation and I'm going to type in macaroni SVG. There is best friends SVG, SVG mac and cheese, which is just another rendition of this one. And you can see some of these tags are actually much longer than what you can use because you are limited to 20 characters. So basically what you want to do is every now and again go into your listings and see if there is terms that you may not be using. So sibling SVG for shirts. That one might not be too bad. I have sibling shirts in here. So it looks like I'm covering quite a bit of things and that's why it's popping up for searches. You can also take the search terms that you're getting and enter those into a keyword program like Etsy Rank or Marmalade, which I will be going through both of those tools in an upcoming video. But just to keep looking through here, you can kind of see this one's probably not the best to use because I haven't sold a ton of them. But I'm going to go ahead and click publish and just save that one. Let me try to find one of my better sellers. So I know that this one sold a ton. Obviously not this year because most of us weren't in school, but if you click on statistics again, it is going to show you all time. I have made $453. Is that all time? Of when I posted this to now. And when I scroll down, you can see the traffic sources, but again, there are a ton of search terms here. So if you look at that listing, and I'm 100 days, and scroll down to tags. I don't know why this one is in here. 100th day of school, 100 days of school. I don't think you can fit 100 days of school SVG in there. Yeah, too big. So that I've separated it out. You can see 100 days SVG, which I have in here. Achievement unlocked SVG, which I have achievement unlocked, but I don't have SVG in here. 100 days of school video game SVG. So I have video gamer SVG and gamer, but I don't have video game. I'll add that in there. And now the terms kind of drop out, but you can still maybe find 100 days SVG gamer. There's a new one that I didn't have. And it only had one search hit, but that's okay. You can kind of keep scrolling through these and see where you're hitting. It also gives you ideas of maybe other things to design for that particular subject. So I just wanted to go through that. It's a quick and easy way to get some additional keywords for your listings by utilizing an internal Etsy tool without having to leave the Etsy platform. So go ahead and give it a try. Like I said, just go to your shop, find the listing that you would like to get some data on, click on it, and then click on the stats button. I could do the same thing for this one. Click on statistics. And when you scroll down, again, it will give you some of the higher search terms that you have. Make sure that you have these high hitting search terms in your title or tags, and this will help you get some more visibility on Etsy. That's all I have to cover today. Like I said, if you guys enjoyed this video or learned something new, please go ahead and click like and subscribe below, as that does keep me motivated to keep making these videos. And look for some videos on Marmalade and eRank in the next couple of days, as I'll be going through how to use those keyword tools for your Etsy shop. I hope everybody has a great night, and I'll catch y'all later.